up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode here. We're down in the workshop today. There's Trippy.
Workshop, y'all. I'm not even dressed yet. I'm still in my pajamas.
We're gonna be going live, of course, but here's some of the stuff we've been doing. You know,
we've got to get naked in the change room.
Here's a epoxy table piece that we're gonna make a guitar with. There's another piece just like that around here somewhere. There's Trippy's table over there that we've been working on too for the last little while. And I'm going to do a little bit of that tonight. And we did this the other day, which you guys will see a few clips of. And then we'll throw those clips in right here, the ones we did yesterday, right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's sick.
Okay,
and then tonight we're going to be doing some more, guys. So stay tuned and see what we get into tonight. Okay guys, check that out.
Wow.
Some testing we've done here. We're definitely getting the hang of it. The new clips are helping with just the finishing nails on the end there. Look at that. Beautiful. I mean, this is just like maybe 6 inches of wood we've done so far. We can do a little more in that corner, but we got this whole piece to mess with. We're just going to use this as a practice piece. If we end up using it anyways, we got to either router it down, or we might have another plan for this if it turns out sick, guys. So stay tuned. Trippy's ready to go. Boom! And here we are, still freaking working our way down this wood, guys. Turning out real nice. Okay. Oh yeah, she's turning out.
Okay.
Woo!
Hold on here.
Not there.
Oh, let it go again. Okay. Go. Okay. Hold on. Okay, go. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 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 Okay, whoa. My thingy slipped. Okay. Okay, whoa, my finger.
Yeah, watch your finger how far it's down on those.
Okay. Okay.
Woo! Look at that bird. That was a good one, guys. Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
You can just slide the wood down if you need it down that way more.
Holy, it's smoky up here.
Oh, stop. The corridor was starting to burn. Move that box. Stop, Lisa.
She's working not bad,
Oh,
guys.
fuck.
Chippy's dropping the nail again. We got the live stream going on right there too. Check it out. Never know when that's gonna happen.
Oh, shit. There's fucking thingy poke. You can't see shit. I'm getting fucking embarrassed here. Okay. Whoa.
And round 3,000.
Okay, stop and I'll move. Okay.
Woo! That's a good one.
Okay, I just gotta take the bus out just for a second. So I can see. Okay, I can't hold it any longer. I even nail going.
It gets hot, man. I know.
Okay. Okay. Okay, right there. Okay. I just want to kind of move this one nail down a bit. Okay. 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 Yeah.
Bucka! She's turning out fucking mint.
Okay, do it again. Okay, stop for a sec. Let's go. Okay. Not enough water.
Check over here.
Right there.
Okay guys, so this is what we've got done so far. I know it kind of looks like shit right now. We've tried to clean some of it off. Add more water. We're just going to finish up this little section here. Trippy just did this part over here. It's kind of wet because we're soaking more solution into there to finish off that spot. Looks pretty sick. This was just a test piece to mess around, but it's turning out pretty sick. I think we might actually turn it into something, guys, so stay tuned. Doesn't look like much, eh, guys, but wait till we get it cleaned off. You see somewhere over there what we showed you before. Oh. There's the machine there that we freaking built. Someone on live stream is blacking off or something. We'll really have to get something to clean this off, eh? And we'll sand it too, but we need to get some air tools is what we need.
Yeah, that looks so sexy.
Yeah, we gotta get some air tools.
You're doing a good blowjob there, Tipsy.
Oh, you should have seen your fucking blowjob you were doing earlier.
Yeah, so this is our shop, guys. There's a table saw there, a dehumidifier there, some wood, a chair, a mold, some suitcases, some games, a stool, a router. We just throw stuff everywhere. And over here, we got some tools that are dusty, an old toolbox that's no good anymore. It is, but there's some other tools, a saw, a guitar just lying there, music, radio. We got the laptop just lying down here. We got just this, for some unknown reason. Oh, look at that. Just some dead flies, I don't know. We got some cobwebs. There's little cobwebs everywhere, guys. And the laptop just lying down here. Grinders in the toolbox. Hold on, guys. Tipsy's still hard at work. We got the wet paper. We got the dry paper. Yeah, or yeah, just fucking.
Or we're good. We'll fuck it. We're good, man. We can do more later.
Here, we just throwing some water on for Tipsy. Here, just go like.
Oh my god. You just made fucking swamp this. This is like CJ's kind of beer. Yeah, Budweiser he drinks.
So yeah, we're
this
cleaning that up.
This is what we call a fucking bath and ash.
But we got a big selection of some sandpaper with some cobwebs all over, guys. We got that, some helmets there. And we got that little thing there, a mirror, just to make sure we look good in here. And then we got Trippy's little hideaway in here. We got some laundry hanging, so you guys can't really see much in here, but yeah, we got like that stuff here and that stuff, and yeah, she's packed in here, but that's all you guys get to see.
We can wipe this off with?
Yeah, hold on.
Can I tip it?
Yeah.
Just put some sawdust on it. Yeah, sweep it all that side.
Yeah, we gotta sweep, guys.
We gotta get this. Let me reuse that a little bit now. Kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to see, you guys. Free. Anyways, we're gonna do these two about here. Probably cut this bitch right in half.
Gotta find you. Okay, hold on. Say hi to live, guys. Hi, how are you doing today? I'm doing good. I'm tipsy. How are you guys? How are you guys?
Fucking thing, guys. What the fuck is... This is going all in the video, too, motherfucker. I'm putting it all in.
Good! This is really us. People don't see us. They see us on e-bikes and shit, but, you know, this is us. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is 6 minutes. I don't know if it's all going in, but... What are you doing to the wood there with your wood? Whoa. Wood on wood action.
I got a little hole here.
Oh, God. Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of that video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're going to keep doing this. We're going to build something out of this thing. Say goodbye to Live. Live's right there.
Hi, Live.
Live's right there. Yeah. Stay tipsy, y'all. Stay tripping. Stay redneck, y'all. Stay burning wood. Woo! Alright, peace, y'all.